Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Viber on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More to access additional features and settings within the app. This is where all the customization and configuration options are located. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with various options. From here, tap on Settings. This is your control center for personalizing how Viber works and looks on your device, giving you access to everything from notifications to privacy controls. Inside the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the visual customization section. Look for and tap on Appearance. This is where Viber lets you control the overall look and feel of the app, including themes and display modes that affect how everything is presented on your screen. Now you'll see an option labeled Choose a Mode. This setting determines whether your app uses a light theme, dark theme, or follows your system preferences. The dark mode option is particularly useful for reducing eye strain in low light conditions and can also help save battery life on devices with OLED screens. To activate dark mode, simply tap on dark from the available options. As soon as you select it, the interface will instantly switch to a darker color scheme with lighter text, making it much more comfortable to use in dimly lit environments or at night. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Viber, giving your eyes a break and creating a more comfortable viewing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.